Women folk of Assam of Lamsang Makha and Lamsang Mayai yesterday observed fasting and stake a sit-in protest instead of celebration of Ningol Chakouba festival, which is the biggest festival for the Ningol's daughters of Manipur. Women folk expressed that the state government must now wake from its deep sleep and listen to the call of the public to bring an end to the ongoing crisis, which has been prolonging for more than 6 months. In showing solidarity and respecting the lost souls who laid down their life fighting against the illegal Chin Kuki narco-terrorists, the Ningol's daughters of Manipur yesterday, instead of celebrating the biggest festival of Ningol Chakouba, observed fasting, and one woman participant expressed that till date, when the crisis has been continuing for long, the leaders are taking no concrete actions for restoring peace and normalcy in the state, and asked as to how long the people of the state are going to bear the brunt of this crisis. One women protesters of Kurkulamkai also expressed that on this day of November 15, instead of celebrating the Ningol Chakouba festival, they are also sharing the pain and sorrow of the victims of the ongoing crisis, and expressed that they stand in solidarity with all those lost souls who died fighting for the territorial integrity of the state against the divisive Kuki militant forces.